This side, first row. Time बोलने से मन में what all comes to your mind? Okay, so when we say time, there's so many things comes to our mind. And when we say managing time, do you think time management is required? Do you think so? You think? Why? Okay, if you don't manage time, you can't achieve your goals. And why else it is important? I mean, yes, yeah. Okay, that means to do work in an efficient and effective manner, we need to manage time. And
best utilization of time.
Good. Best utilize time, very best in the best manner. Yes, coordinate, because you have so many things to do. Coordinate activities. And some more answers. Why we should manage time? First row. You're managing time so seriously, huh? Tell some answers. Yes. Last, that side. Why we should manage time? But managing time, how do we do it? हम टाइम को मैनेज करते हैं या कैसे, like what actually it comes down to, boils down to?
We are working our work according to the time.
Speed up. Yeah, that means you are allocating time. You are planning. Yes, प्रायोरिटीज आप सेट कर रहे हैं. हम टाइम को मैनेज करते हैं या अपने आप को मैनेज करते हैं? Yes, so that means time management means managing ourselves. So that is the meaning of time management. You're not actually management time. वो घड़ी को देख के मैनेज, घड़ी को नहीं कर रहे हैं, अपने आप को मैनेज कर रहे हैं, isn't it? मैनेज खुद को करना है, सुबह जल्दी उठना है, etc. all those things. Can you read that? Last, yes, read it. Yeah. Yeah. And the next, the line at the bottom. Discipline. Time management means self-discipline, isn't it? Khud. Okay, I have to get up at so-and-so time. By this time, I have to get ready. I have to reach the bus stand. I have to come to the, reach college in time. Discipline, isn't it? Everything without discipline, you can't achieve anything. Now, how do we? This is one way. Many of you gave some answers how to manage time. Another way is avoid. That means, what is the meaning of multitasking? Doing so many things at the same time. Like example, आप क्या क्या करते हैं एक टाइम में? पढ़ते हैं, खाते हैं, फेसबुक पे चैटिंग चलता है, और ड्राइविंग भी कर रहे हैं, टॉकिंग भी कर रहे हैं, हाँ, टेक्सटिंग भी कर रहे हैं, क्या 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 नहीं कर रहे हैं, हाँ, पढ़ाई के अलावा सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, हम, हाँ, सो भी रहे हैं, राइटिंग पेपर एंड चीटिंग. So avoid multitasking. If you want to manage your time, why we should avoid multitasking? Why? Yes, because our concentration is not there. So if the concentration is not there, what happens? जो काम 5 मिनट में होना है वो 15 मिनट में लगेंगे आपको. वो जो आपने होमवर्क करना है वो 5 मिनट नहीं लगेंगे. So we should avoid multitasking. Focus. And somebody said over here, prioritize. It's also important. Okay, today, these are things I have to do today. And this is how, first I'll do this, then this, then this, then this. Okay? And what else? What are other ways of managing time? Besides, now there comes to important, this something called matrix, time management matrix. Here, on one side we have urgency, on the other side we have importance, how important it is. So there are 4 quadrants to this. And the very top gradient is, first one is urgent and important. And the second one? Yeah, let's say this is number 1, number 2, and this is 3. Urgent but? And this is number 4. So let's keep it like that. Now considering that, 1, 2, the first 2 rows, considering that you are supposing group A. Now the last 2 rows, last 3 rows, let's say you are group B. Okay? Now this side, 1, 2, 3, first 3 rows C and D. Okay? A, B, C, D. 4 groups. Okay? So each group, I would like you to tell me one activity. Okay, starting with group A. Give me one activity which will fall under first quadrant. Huh? Food. Urgent and important. Bhook lagi hai. Okay. Second group. Group B. One activity which is falling under first quadrant. Studies. Important and also urgent. Okay. Do you agree? Please listen to what your friends are saying. He said that studies, it falls under first category. Is it right? No? Not urgent. Okay. C, group C, one activity in the first quadrant. Come on. Urgent and important activity. Come on, quick. Net surfing is urgent, important. Okay, group D. No. You have to tell one activity in first quadrant only. All of you are going to say one activity of first quadrant. Urgent and important. Yes, come on. Oxygen, that means breathing, सांस लेना. Urgent भी, important भी है. But that is something which is happening, natural process. इसमें you are not doing anything. Now what I am asking you is some activity. Eating, already repeated. Don't repeat that. Drinking water. Besides, देखो खाने पीने के अलावा कुछ और सोच लो. Attendance in IP University is urgent and important. Okay. Now supposing you are all working in the office. After 4 years, maybe you all be working somewhere, managing your own business or working, isn't it? So keeping that thing in mind, can group A tell me one activity which will fall in the urgent and important category? So now all of you are working. Now let's assume that आप सब जॉब कर रहे हैं या अपना बिजनेस कर रहे हैं. अर्जेंट एंड इंपॉर्टेंट एक्टिविटी बताइए उस हिसाब से. प्रोडक्शन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. टाइम पे प्रोडक्शन करनी है. हाँ, दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट एंड अर्जेंट. सेकंड ग्रुप, बी ग्रुप. हाँ, डिसीजन मेकिंग, लाइक डिसीजन मेकिंग सम. ओके, गुड, वेरी गुड. यस. सी, doing hard work is coordination. Yes, coordinating with the plant, with the partners, with the clients. Production, it's very important, urgent and important. And group D, sales promotion is important and it's urgent. Yes, वो करना ही करना है, sales promotion. Yes, very good. So you're all applying all your studies to your. That's good. Good. That's good. So now let's come to also one more thing. Supposing you've been appointed as a supervisor. You are the supervisor for this particular division, and suddenly the boss calls you. So is that which category it will fall into? Yes. So आपने ये नहीं बताया. Boss calls you. Isn't it? Urgent and important. Boss is calling you. Yes. And then suddenly, and then one more. So keeping that in mind, now you come up with answer. Think of something else besides what you just now told me. Urgent and important. Submitting reports is yes. I mean like submitting reports में ऐसा है कि you have deadline. होता है. Problem related to production. Very good. Yes. And yes, good. Damage control. Damage हो गया. Like suddenly something has happened, but you have to control it. That's very important, isn't it? Within time. Good. Now group C. Some activity keeping that in mind. Motivation. That is an ongoing process. I'm very urgent. बहुत urgency है. Important भी है. आप काम कर रहे हैं. You are already working. But उसके ऊपर something urgent important आ जाता है. Like fluctuation in profit margin आता है तो yes, fluctuation profit suddenly drip. So it's an important thing. Yes, you have to immediately call for a meeting. Decide you have to work on that. Good. Last group D. Come on. Think in that line. You're all working already. Lekin something as a what is there which can really, Workers go on strike. That's very good. Good example. Yeah. Workers go on strike. So it's become very urgent. That matter has become urgent and important. Example of Maruti. Yes. Maruti Suzuki. Yes. Uske alawa, I want you to think of, none of you have given me this answer. Like, you are already working, आप सुबह 9 o'clock ऑफिस आ गए हैं, आप अपना काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन suddenly an angry customer walks in. Nobody gave that answer. Customer is angrily coming to your office and shouting and saying, "What have you done? This and that." That becomes urgent important. So आपने ये नहीं बताया. Now all of you are working. I'm assuming that all of you are sitting in your office room now. तब आप क्या करेंगे? Customer is coming and absolutely angry. Then what will you do then? What will you do then? Can you come here, please? Yeah. And you also come here. Yeah. And yes, you also come here, please. Yes. Yeah, please watch this small role play which they are doing. You can face the audience, please. Come this side. Yeah, and you can come up. You can please come up. Come here. Yeah, and start.
मैम ये देखिए मेरा बिल कितना करे नहीं मैम ये कॉल मैम ये बहुत ज्यादा मैंने इतनी कॉल्स करी नहीं है I want to talk to your manager.
Okay, I will take you to your manager. Excuse me, sir. There is a customer who is complaining about. Loud. Give the mic to her. There is a customer who has a complaint and he is very angry and he want to share something with you.
Hello, sir. Sir, I am Ashwin, the manager of this branch. Say, what is your problem?
Sir, my bill is so the amount is so large, and I don't make the calls. I do not make so much calls.
Sir, actually your SIM cannot be traced, or it has been traced, and all the calls are made by our number only. So there is nothing that you can say that we are wrong. You'll have to pay the bill, or you can discontinue the services. And for your reassurance, we can just check it once again, and you can personally just go and check with our supervisor. And if you come and please come up with a solution, and then please let me know what can I do for you.
Okay, sir.
So did you think that, they were, what was he doing? Come here. Unsatisfied customer. And what was she doing? The customer care executive. Help desk. And what was he? Convincing them. So did they do a job, good job? Or okay, fine. Give them a please hand for their efforts. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah. So when you're working in the office environment, suddenly some work comes up that at that situation you need to leave your current work, and that becomes urgent and important. Okay. Now let's go to the second quadrant. That is, what activities do you think? Now starting with A, B, C, D, each group will give me one activity which could fall in the second quadrant. Okay. Now let's start with group D. One. It is important, but it's not urgent. Submitting reports. Okay, fine, good. Yeah. C. Analyzing reports and workers' performance. It's important, but it's not urgent. You have to analyze it. Okay, good. Come up with different answers, please. Yeah. Huh? Research work is yes. Okay. And? Pardon? Recreation. Good. That's a good answer. Analyzing markets. Yes, analysis will come under that. And yes. Very good. Future planning. It's important, though it's not very urgent. Yes. What else? Yeah. Come on, think. You're all working now. I'm assuming that all of you are in the work environment. आपकी placement हो गई है. Solving problems with the customer, which could be, yes, it could fall in this category also, and sometimes it could fall in that category also. But yes, yes, methods of improving your efficiency. So you're working on methods of improving your efficiency, which is important. That's good. Yes. Handling workers' grievances. Good. Yes. Some other answer? Yes. Managing your finances and trying to arrange your finances. Yes. Yeah. Recruitment. Recruitment is also a good answer. It will fall into this category. Those activities, many of you have given, more or less very good answers, correct answers, in the sense that yes, there are many activities which are important in the work environment, which may not be immediately important, but at the same time very important. One more thing you can think about. Some motivating employees. Yes. Organizing and promotion, controlling. And you did not think about your own personal development, isn't it? Incentives for others, but apne liye, for yourself. Training. Yes. Training for employees, but you can do that for yourself, isn't it? आप खुद training के लिए जा सकते हैं. You can spend time yourself on your development, like you can go for you should go for recreation, like he said. You can go for exercises. You can do yoga. Isn't it important? Immediate nahi hai. It's not immediate, but it should be incorporated in your regular routine, isn't it? Your planning, your forecasting, your developing your own personal skills, your health. All these things are also very, very important, isn't it? Now let's come to the third quadrant. Now starting with group A, one activity which you could think of in this activity, which is urgent, but it's not important. Attending phone calls of personal lives, yes, it's not important. आप काम में लगे हुए हैं लेकिन आपको फोन आ गया. That's actually not important. It may be immediate. फोन आ गया. So it's correct. Good answer. Second one, second group. B. C and D, think of answers. Okay, C, you can come. Yes, you come on. Okay, so that means you ask him to wait then. He has come without appointment, that means. Okay, fine. Did you understand what he's saying? Did you understand what he's saying? Can you stand up and speak loudly?
Someone who has taken the appointment, but some of the other reason it is urgent to attend, but it is not that important.
Who has taken appointment?
Some casual persons for
Yeah, you can. Maybe some business development executive has just called